We have walked through the kitchen, the dining room, the cinema, the private lounge, the secret library. Every one of those rooms was extraordinary. But this is the most personal room in the entire estate, the primary bedroom. This is where Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan begin every morning and end every night. And Rafali designed it to feel like one thing above everything else, a sanctuary. Let's start with what's behind me. Floor-to-ceiling windows and sheer drapes, and directly beyond them, royal palms trees. This is the view from the bed, not from a balcony, not from across the room. You'll be elated to open your eyes in the morning and the first thing you see is nature, the palms and the Miami sky. That right there, that alone is worth more than most homes. The bed itself is an oversized custom platform in cream upholstery, set inside a curved walnut headboard surround with fluted cream paneling rising the full height of the wall behind it. The ceiling above, a large sculptural cloud-formed medallion with soft diffused ambient lighting built in. No harsh light, no overhead glare, just warmth. The floors continue to wide plank herringbone blonde wood running throughout the estate, grounded by a large custom area rug in cream and soft gold. To the right, a full wall of backlit walnut open shelving, styled with curated coffee table books, gold sculptural objects, and a cream marble table lamp. And to the left, a dedicated private sitting lounge within the bedroom itself, curved organic cream sofas, a sculptural gold side table, and two large abstract art panels on the wall. This bedroom has its own living room inside it, because at this level, a bedroom is not just a place to sleep. It is a private world, and connected directly to this room, the primary ensuite, a spa, a dressing room, all private, all for two. Let's take a look.